I'm so sorry, teacher. I was having my cup of coffee. I mean, my cup of milk and my chocolate milk, and I'm late. I'm sorry, but I'm here now. So, what do you want me to do? What's our lesson for today?
I have questions.
You have questions?
Okay. So, this one's for you.
Okay. Okay. So, this is your handwriting.
You have to paint a rock.
I have to paint a rock.
Yeah.
So, do you want me to actually find a rock and paint it?
Yes.
Or do you want me to just draw a rock?
Just find a rock and paint.
And what am I going to learn from that?
You're just gonna have to paint it.
Okay.
I have paint over here.
Okay. So let me go find a rock. Be right back. Okay?
Mine too.
Okay, teacher. I went outside and I found some rocks.
Okay, I'm gonna open it up.
So that was a good find, right? I did good.
Yes.
This is rock painting kit. And it comes with Velcro. What is this? White glue,
Oh, these are very heavy.
glitter,
Guess what? I know the rocks are
paint,
here. There's the rocks.
paintbrushes.
The rocks are
These are the
black.
rocks. And what do we have here?
Instead, she has Luna having painting rock.
Ooh, we have eyes.
Luna, you have painted rock. Luna, what?
And then we have all these
One second,
little
you're gonna paint
art
one just a
decos.
minute. Just let my mama play.
So we could do a butterfly rock. So are you gonna be teaching me how to do this?
Yes.
Okay, are we gonna be doing one on our own and then seeing who wins? Is this a challenge or what?
You know it is a challenge.
Okie dokie.
One for you, one for Luna, and one for me.
Okay, let me get some napkins.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so I think we're ready to go. So you decided to make a rock butterfly. I'm going to be making a flower. And Luna's going to be making something creative. How, Luna? Uh-huh. Luna, what color is this? Pink. Good job. What color is this? No. What color is this? No, this is red. And then this color? Yellow.
Yeah,
Yay.
it's because she was looking at this.
Yeah. What color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Black.
No, it's black. Good job.
Come
Okay,
on.
so let's start.
Okay. Mommy, you want to play?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come. Wait.
What color is that, Luna?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, Mama.
What is the ice? Okay.
You gonna put the ice? Okay, you have to wait till it gets dry. Okay, Mama?
Yes.
Okay.
This is what I was about to do. Okay. I know you were a kid, but I know it's teen. Like, we have to try our best. Now, if you somebody and say mine is better, I'm gonna call your mom.
Okay, so that's a no-no. I don't do that, teacher.
Okay.
I really like art. It's my favorite class, and you're my favorite teacher.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until it gets dry.
Careful,
Is she trying to put paint on you?
I don't know what she's trying to do, but she looks dangerous.
She's trying to check you with a paint brush.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Idea!
You have an idea? What? What's your idea? So Luna calls me mommy, but I'm her grandma.
Yeah, but you are a new student.
Oh, I'm a student, and she's my student. No, she is a student too. Okay, I'm gonna try glitter. A little bit of glitter.
Okay, and I'm using the gold one. I guess I'll just wait for you. Oh. Careful, Luna. Don't make a mess. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Wet? Okay.
Okay.
Luna, do you want to put glitter?
Yeah.
Glitter?
What kind of color?
Do you want to
Glitter.
put green glitter?
No.
No? Do you want to put orange?
No. You want to
No.
put gold? No.
No? No glitter?
These are the
Uh-oh.
only ones. These are the only glitter we have.
I think she put an eye in here.
She totally did. She did.
She did.
Don't worry, let me just give her a other eye. Okay. Let me check if there's
Ooh, that is nice, teacher.
look.
Good job. Okay, so we're gonna finish up, and then we're gonna come back and take a 5-minute break so that I can go. I don't know, have a drink. Teacher.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Break is over.
Here
Here you go. Here you go. So, teacher, do you want me to help you do the little antennas for the butterfly? Okay, so you just get your paintbrush,
Okay.
and then you start
Who cheats?
swirling it.
Who cheats you? Your mom?
I remember you saying that in our other class. Yeah, you taught me this. You see?
Now I remember.
Now you could put it.
Wait, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like this.
Okay, so just maybe one.
Yeah, that's why you shouldn't do that. That's true. Hey, what's wrong?
Okay, so just like, teacher, she hit me.
Hey, no. I'm gonna call your mom on you when you.
Kick her out of the class, teacher. No, you're not supposed to do that. I'm just kidding.
Hey, that's not very nice for slapping her. You stinker. You little stinker.
No, leave her alone. So Luna already put her eyes.
Hers look like a
Look, how pretty. Let me show them, Luna, okay?
Hers look like a pickle. Hers look like a pickle, guys.
This is her, her little creation.
It looks like a pickle, student.
Good job, Luna.
I don't have candy. No.
Can she have candy, please, teacher? She did a good job.
Okay. Ah! Yes.
Okay.
I don't have real candy, but I really.
You want candy?
There's no candy
Okay.
in here. I don't have candy.
It's candy. There's candy in here. My backpack?
Yeah.
Are you
there's
sure?
Like a woody one. There's a woody one. Yeah. The woody. The woody.
No, I don't have any candy. No, there's no candy.
Yay!
Oh, I do have candy.
That's from Disneyland. This is from Disneyland. Why did you bring it?
I'm sorry, teacher. It was in my bag. I was in a rush.
That's alright. You can. But,
Okay, let me turn my...
but next time you're not bringing some anymore. Yeah. You can try.
Okay. We'll have to wait till the class is
Yellow.
over. Yellow.
Yes.
Yes. Good job.
No.
Okay, so I'm done with mine. Teacher, here. How do you like it?
Yes, looks very great.
So this is my rock. We just have to wait for it to dry. That's why I can't grab it.
Mine is already dry. Oh, wait.
Yours looks awesome. You just need for it to dry a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, we'll do that right now. So this is the teacher's butterfly one. Isn't that great? It just needs to dry.
Wait, mine is already dry.
No, it needs to dry.
What?
So, teacher, I think I'm going to my math class next. So I have to leave. So, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. What are we telling them to come to next class for what?
I will show you. Wait, where did I put the pen?
Okay, so next class, tell them to please like, subscribe, hit the notification button so that they know when next class starts, right?
Okay. Hit the like button and a fuse comes up. Bye. Stay tuned.
A little bit more excitement, yay! And we're out.